Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the latest blue bathroom tile designs in India, complete with price ranges to suit every budget. So friends, montage of bathrooms with different blue tiles, light blue, navy blue or mosaic. A shows tiles is reflecting light, inspired with the white features. Blue tiles are timeless choice, evoking the calmness and sophistication. From coastal vibes to the modern elegance, blue fit every style, plus they are durable and water resistant and easy to maintain. Perfect for Indian bathrooms. So friends, sky blue subway tiles. These are bright bathroom with a sky blue ceramic subway tiles is herringbone patterns. It's paired with the brass fittings. This classic subway tiles in the sky blue grate, a fresh and airy look. It's ideal for walls and ideal for bathroom walls. And the cost around 34 rupees to 49 rupees per square foot, making them budget friendly. And navy blue bathroom tiles. These are bold touch for your bathrooms. Navy blue of Moroccan tiles added to the drama. Its price is between only 88 rupees to 128 rupees per square foot. They're perfect for future wall for your bathroom. Like one future wall is the blue mosaic tiles, and the three walls you can make white color bathroom tiles. So, friends, another one is the coastal light blue or ceramic bathroom wall tiles. This is a beach theme bathroom tiles with the light blue or ceramic tiles of beach Asians. The light blue ceramic tiles is evoke of seaside serenity. The price is the 60 rupees to 100 rupees per square foot. It's great for bathroom floors and walls. Royal blue marble bathroom wall tiles. It's luxurious bathroom with the royal blue marble tiles around a freestanding bathtub. From premium look or royal blue marble tiles cost around 145 rupees to 250 rupees per square foot, adding to the elegance to your bathroom. So friends, paid blue bathroom wall tiles with natural colors like white or grey or balance. For balance, use gold or brass features for warm and for modern edge. The lighter blue wall makes small bathroom feel spacious, while darker shades add to the drama. Try mosaic for ancient and large tiles for your sleek look. So friend, you can like this all the find the stunning blue tiles at tailors of Orient Wells My Tiles. This price ranges from 34 rupees per square foot of basing ceramic tiles, 420 rupees for premium marble tiles. So friends, elevate your bathroom with the timeless charm of blue tiles. So friends, don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos.